Welcome. Today we'll install the SimpliSafe Outdoor Camera using the wireless setup. Fast, secure, step-by-step. Start with a quick unboxing. Camera, mounting bracket, screws, and battery pack. Inspect the camera and accessories. Remove protective film from the lens. Install the rechargeable battery into the camera until it clicks into place. Attach the mounting plate to the bracket and position on the wall. Use the included screws and anchors. Tighten securely and snap the camera onto the mount. Power on the camera by pressing the button. The LED will blink indicating readiness. Open the SimpliSafe app, tap Add Device, and select Outdoor Camera from the list. Follow on-screen prompts to name the camera and choose your Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi password and wait for the camera to pair. This usually takes under a minute. Run a live video test, adjust angle, and tighten the mount if needed. Finish by checking motion alerts and firmware updates and settings. You're done. The camera is live.